Welcome to Technical Shubham. In this video we are going to learn how to write a Python program to swapping of two numbers. For this we have to open our Python file editor, that is Visual Studio Code. Here it is, just click on it. I have already created a folder, that is test10. Just open it. In this folder we have to write our code. I just zooming the screen. Let's start our coding. First write a commit statement for what we are doing. We are doing Python program to swap the numbers. Okay, for this we have defining two numbers, that is first number is number A, not right number A. Now 1 is equals to int input input the first number. This num1 variable stores input that is taken from user in integer form. Next we have to define another variable, that is number2 is equals to, we have to just copy this section and paste it over here and just change first to second number, enter it. If you want to define numbers constantly, I write a comment statement, that is to give the value of num1 and num2 by yourself. You can use, I just commenting, but you can use num1 is equals to, firstly I have to comment this. You can use num1 is equals to your choice numbers, that is I have done 158. Define number2 variable, your number 89. Okay, this statement will take input from user. This statement will take 58 as a num1. Okay, after that we have to create a temporary variable. We have to create a temporary variable for variable and swap the values. For this we have to define a temp variable. In temp variable we are just storing the value of x. Okay, x. Not x, num1. And in num1 variable we are just storing num2 variable, and in num2 variable we are just storing our temp our temp variable. This I am just telling that there is a temp variable which stores num1 variable, means in temp variable num1 data that is taken from user is stored in temp. In num1 the num2 data is stored in num1, and in num2 the temp data is stored in num2. Okay, after that we are just printing the values, that is print the values after swapping the numbers, not after swapping, just write the values after swapping for easiest way to write our code. We will define an empty. Okay, in this dot format, that is format is a function. Format is a function used for swapping numbers, that is format x. Sorry. Again print. I'm just copying it from top because I just need to copy it. The values of a swapping, here we have to write just num2. The value for x after swapping, the value for y after swapping. Okay, this is a code. One the hence this is our code. Okay, why I have this? I have import this module, just cancel it. Okay, this is our final code for swapping our numbers. Let's check it. Now input the first number, just I have input 68, and input the second number 12. Our program will run like first number is 12 and second number is 68 after swapping the numbers. Okay, here we can see that the value of x is 12, that is before it is value for y, and value of y after swapping is 68, that is before swapping it is 68. Okay, I will hope that you will get it. Thank you.